Handy Hudsonite here. We're looking at the front wheel of my Honda Odyssey, though this is going to pertain to most vehicles, but I just wanted to show you around to a couple of different areas on the wheel for you to be aware of. First of all, this is the brake rotor. This is the piece of the front wheel that takes the brunt of the stopping. This is the caliper. This is what contains the brake pads, and the brake pads, when you press on the brake pedal, are applied to this brake rotor, and the friction between the brake pad and the brake rotor is what slows the vehicle down. And you have one of these on each of your four wheels, though some cars have what's called drum brakes in the rear, but most vehicles today have what are called disc brakes, because it refers to the disc here. So rotor, caliper, and then the brake pads are contained on the inside of the caliper because they're squeezed closed when you apply the brake pedal. This is your brake line that runs through here and then into your master cylinder that's inside of your engine bay. So that's one aspect of the wheel here. This is your hub, and this is essentially what holds the wheel to the axle. And then this here is your strut. The strut is what controls the not only the ride height of the front of the car, but also the bouncing effect of the car. So that is also connected in here to the wheel assembly. So those are just a couple of things to be aware of when it comes to your wheels on your car, your front wheels. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. Make sure to hit the notification bell too. And I will see you in the next video.